Uttar Pradesh has reported 20,000 daily COVID cases for the last week and 250 plus deaths each day. And these are just the official figures. Across the state, there is worry over the spread of the pandemic to the state's vast rural areas where a lot of COVID deaths may be going unreported. The state government says it has launched a massive tracking and testing drive across rural UP. But can the rural surge in India's most populous state be contained?
Fewer chaotic scenes at the main COVID crematorium in Lucknow. A month ago, these disquieting scenes of endless funeral fires were filmed at the same location. Ironically, the UP government was reporting lesser COVID deaths in Lucknow at the time, despite evidence from crematoriums suggesting massive underreporting. On Tuesday, Lucknow reported 1,154 fresh COVID cases and 23 deaths. 241 people have died in Lucknow from COVID in the past week. A month ago, on April 14, UP's capital reported 5,433 fresh COVID cases, but just 14 official COVID deaths. Lucknow has seen over 2,000 COVID deaths since the beginning of the pandemic, the highest for one location in UP. While no official count of Lucknow's cremations, COVID or otherwise, for the last few days was available, but quieter crematoriums certainly do indicate that the data being given out by the UP government now is a little more in sync with ground realities. But are more deaths now happening in UP's sprawling rural areas? And are these deaths being underreported? At Kheda, a village in West UP's Meerut district, that reported 1,368 fresh COVID cases on Tuesday, the highest in UP, locals claim at least 30 people have died from COVID-related symptoms in the last 10 days. On Tuesday, this UP government team was in Kheda to carry out gold standard RT-PCR and antigen tests as part of the UP government's drive to track and treat COVID in rural areas. 10 days ago, a relative of this Kheda resident, Praveen Som, saw her oxygen levels dip to 60 after days of persistent fever, despite a negative RT-PCR test report. Despite a scramble for a hospital bed, she could not be saved.
ना तो कोई संघ वाला काम आया ना कोई भाजपा वाला काम आया, सबने हाथ खड़े कर दिए। मैंने जने किस को फोन करे जब मेरी भाभी को वेंटिलेटर की जरूरत थी, किसी भी आदमी ने मेरा फोन उठाना बंद कर दिया। तो अपने व्यक्ति का संबंध बनाओ साहब, ना कोई संघ वाला खाने को दे रहा ना कोई भाजपा वाला संघ।
In Sardhana, a small town in Meerut, government officials claim they have tracked over 58,000 people for COVID screening and identified 1,036 people with symptoms in the last few days. But at the government-run hospital in this town, there are barely any treatment facilities for COVID patients.
जितनी भी डेथ हो रही है उसमें कोविड 90% केसेस नहीं है। एक नया टर्म निकल के आया है, हैप्पी हाइपोक्सिया। मरीज बिल्कुल ठीक होता है, उसको कोई किसी तरह का सिम्टम नहीं होता, खासकर जवानों में। उनका एकदम से ऑक्सीजन लेवल डाउन होता है, पहले 85, जब तक हॉस्पिटल लेके जाते हैं 60 के नीचे आ जाता है फीवर के साथ साथ, और वो तुरंत कोलैप्स कर रहा है।
The Uttar Pradesh government says it is tracking the spread of COVID in rural areas in a big manner. But are these efforts enough? With Ravish Shukla in Meerut, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.